to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to insert a markdown from a URL into your Confluence pages. For this guys, it is very easy, but before you are just new and you are not installing any external app, so maybe you not find this application. So how you can check? First you simply slash and simply search the markdown. So guys, here you see when I write the markdown, so it is visible in my page, but in your case maybe it's not visible. If it is not visible, so guys, you go for the apps, then explore the app. After that, in the explore app you search for the markdown. After search the markdown macro, here you see this is the first just added embed markdown by Modos Create with 4.3 ratings and around 8k downloads. So currently it is added, that's why it is not showing the download. So I am just open it, and guys, it's take few seconds to open. Now you add it into your website. Okay, now here you get added option and you simply add it in your application. After add, simply go back to your project and your page, and now you simply start with slash, and here you simply type the markdown. When you click the option of markdown, so if you facing such type of issue, so guys, try to refresh your page once. So maybe you get this error, so there is some problem, so we need to install the new application for markdown. Maybe sometime that due to the server errors it's creating such type of issues, so you need another application, markdown micro. Okay, so I think which one is good, this one is good. Okay, to check which of the application is, you check the reviews, you check the downloads, installs, so try it free. Let's say it's working or not. Otherwise, this is the way that you can install the new application, where when your application is properly installed, then where you simply click go to your recent project, and that when you open the drop down you get the URL options, so you simply open the URL option and paste your URL and you get the external so guys, it's take few seconds. Okay, it's depending on the internet. Now guys, here you see it added. I'm going for the recent untitled. Okay, then I'm going to here and search the markdown, and here you see markdown. If it is not come, so refresh your page once, then again type markdown. So guys, maybe there is an issue, so guys, you check it at your end, but this is the way that you can do. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.